Today I am going to show you how to plant a lucky bamboo in a clay pot. This cute product is perfect for your home or as a gift. First, add a small amount of the special indoor plant mix to the pot. Then add some Osmocote to help the plant grow healthy. Place the lucky bamboo in the center and fill with the mixture. Fill the pot with the rest of the soil and press down hard. If not, the water will push the soil down, making the stones sink and the plant unstable. Add a few white stones to make it look nice and to keep the moisture in. Finally, water lightly. Lucky bamboo only needs watering once every 2 days. And that's it. If you would like to get your hands on this item, check out our Decor store or Facebook page links below. You can also visit our indoor plant shop in Sri Lanka. Thanks for watching and happy planting. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. Also don't forget to share the video.